Did you just set up a TikTok shop and you're getting this error message? You can't go to the next stage and you don't know how to fix it? I'm going to show you 2 ways how to fix it. So make sure you watch to the end, because the first one doesn't work. The second one definitely going to work. So now what you do is open your TikTok app. Then where you see the 3 lines at the top right, click on it. Click on settings and privacy. And then click on account. Then user information. Then go to account region and then choose your country, where you're from. Then once you choose that should fix the problem. If that doesn't fix the problem, then go back again, then scroll down, then go to report on the problem, and then from there you can tell your problem to TikTok customer service and they'll fix the problem. So if you find that helpful, it helps you anyway, make sure you follow me, and thank you. Have a good day.